and this is Buzios, right? And you can see a tender, so this is our only tent stop actually, so we're just waiting for that to come in, that'll come in, we'll jump on, not that particular one, but we'll jump on and get taken to a beach. I think we're going to go probably about there, so looking forward to it. Just talking to the hotel director and he was like, oh, I love this place, I could live here, so I'm quite excited now, it should be quite good. We've only got about 4 or 5 hours here though, so it's not too long, but it should be good. Welcome to Buzios. And even though it appears like water taxis and stuff, so it's lovely, it's amazing, it's lovely, dead nice. Apparently it's a Saint-Tropez of Brazil. So days don't get much better than this. This is beautiful. And there's our ship. Get ready to leave Buzios. We've, like I say, had a nice lunch. We've nice walk on the beach, and we've flown the drone.